am Vijay. This is my next video. This video is about Amazon Seller Course Lecture 5. Already I put 4 lectures. If you didn't watch that video, I give you the playlist link in description. You watch that videos and then you come to this video. Then only you can understand what is Amazon Seller Course. Okay guys, in this video we are going to see about how to do Me Too listing. Last video I show you what is listing and what are the types. Okay, in this video we are going to see about Me Too listing. Okay guys, let's enter into the topic. Let's get started. In this video we are going to see about how to do Me Too listing. Me Too listing is nothing. If for example, if Amazon has one product, if you select that product, we want to join with that another sellers to sell that same product. That is called as Me Too listing. Me Too listing has two types. One is soft approval, second one is direct listing. Today we are going to see direct listing, how to list the product directly without getting any invoice. That is today's topic. Okay guys, I show you some example for this. You can understand what is Me Too listing. Guys, for this example for direct listing, I show you this product. I choose this product and I copy this ASIN. Copy this from here. I copied and then I go to my seller account. I go to my seller account and press add product. Here I paste it here. Yeah, I press enter. This product will show like this. And then sell this product is not available. So I choose select condition. Select condition. I click this new and then sell this product. This product is show like this. Okay, and then first it will show required and all attributes. Okay, I choose only required because we do Me Too. So I choose click this required button. This is seller SKU. We didn't choose this because seller SKU. If you sell that product to Amazon warehouse, then only you can choose this seller SKU. And then quantity. If you have that product, you put quantity like 5 or 10. You can put that in quantity. But I am not having that product, so I choose 0. And then fix the price. You saw that price, right? On that listing, you saw that price. I think it's 54. I choose 40 for this. I choose 40. Okay. It's already in new session, and that's why the select condition is new. This is I will ship the item. Amazon will ship. That is easy ship. For easy ship means if you sell one product, the customer will order. You can send to the customer that product one by one, like one quantity or two quantity. That is called as easy ship. This is Amazon will ship and provide the customer service means this is called as FBA warehouse. If you send it to Amazon warehouse like more quantities, if you choose this, Amazon will ship and send to the customer. That is called as FBA warehouse. Okay, so I choose first FBM because I am not having that product. So I choose FBM. I will ship the item. Okay. Okay. And then save and finish. The listing is ready. You click that save and finish, it will automatically shows in this page. Your listing is ready. It will show after 15 minutes in your inventory. After 24 hours it will be activated, then you can sell that product. Okay, some of them have some doubt where this listing is available. I show you that. It will show here, manage all inventory. These are my products. It will show like this in this inventory. Okay guys, let's enter. Okay guys, in this video we see about Amazon Seller Course Lecture 5, how to do direct Me Too listing. Okay guys, if you like this video, click that like button. If you want more videos, subscribe my channel. Okay guys, thank you for watching.